welcome to my channel. My name is Michael Odiba. So guys, this is how to make money on some power. Some power actually is a solar investment platform that you can actually make money by investing on their platform. And as this solar business is going on all around, they have an office in Nigeria. You'll be getting paid hourly, daily, because some people rent this solar per hour, some buy it. You don't have the money to buy a plant, they buy part of it. So they just have to make money on this platform. And if you are new to this channel, so guys, if you are new to this channel, I will be very happy for you to just click the subscriber button there, the bell icon, to get notified whenever I drop a new video about this platform, SunPower. Another platform that actually ways to make passive income online. So guys, there's a subscriber button there. Just help us to click it, and then we are good to go. So I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to take you straight to this opportunity. It says how to make money at SunPower. One, it says invite one. This is it. I'm going to explain it bit by bit. Here it said invite a user to register for a reward of 30 naira. Very small but very big. It's okay. 2, invite one user, earn 5% when purchase a equipment. So if they purchase any of this equipment, now this is one equipment that goes for 10,000 naira, and annual income will be 5,380 naira, and profit will be 500 naira. Now there's another income for 4,000 naira, 200 naira, and annual income will be 2,100 naira. Then another machine that goes for 30,000 gives you 1,500, and annual income will be 161,000 naira. Then they have another machine that goes for 90,000. You say profit will be 4,500, and annual income will be 51,000. Annual income will be 512,000 naira. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 512,000 naira. Then there's another package that goes for 200,000, and you are earning, and your profit will be 10,000 naira. Annual income will be 124,000 naira. So that is step 2, 5% when anybody purchases the package. So if you any of your downline, anybody purchases packages, I think this is what you take home as profit. Now you see, if you invite a friend to purchase haul page to buy your favorite equipment, you get 5% of the equipment price reward, or 5% of this equipment revenue reward. If your friend also invite a friend, you can also get 2%. So those are money you get for doing those recruiting and all of that. So number 3, we go here, and you see there is also income from doing invitation tax. Now there are so many things I'm still yet to understand, and I'll enlighten you guys later. If you do say invite valid members, tax reward 200, tax reward 8,000 naira. So this, I don't really understand how this tax reward really work, but I'm going to explain details to you guys. So this is how to make money from Sunfly. He said now there are many ways to make money. So let's check what did he say. In order to celebrate May 1st, International Labour's Day, we will send benefit to hardworking workers. You can click to visit tax to receive and all of that. This is how they do their tax on a daily basis. For now, I have not done any of the tax. Now there's a forum here on this platform. There's a forum here. If you check this down below here, there's a forum here where you can see testimonies of people who are already running this program and already making money. You say about money, it is real. This one, you say it is really great. I'm enjoying SunPower as I benefit from this platform. You can see This is it. This is the Nigerian office here in Lagos. This is a Nigerian office here in Lagos. So this is our testimonies that are coming out. So I'll be showing you guys. As you can see here, SunPower is real. You can see it says certificate of registration and all of that. You can see it here. This our forum. Make money. Making money here is a goal. So what they're trying to say that this is an opportunity for everybody to plug in and make their own money. Now you see, SunPower is another way of achieving greatness. Join us now. Now, how do you achieve greatness? You see, equipment price and profit is like their compensation plan. Now I want to explain here. Now he said when you do 4,000, profit will be 4 naira 80.8 kobo. Income daily income will be 115 naira. Then monthly income will be 3,456 naira. Then annual income will be 42,000 naira for a 4,000 naira equipment you purchase. Isn't that amazing? For me, it's amazing. If you earn 3,000 naira every month from your money, it's something else. Now this is for 10,000 naira package. You earn 12 naira every hour. Daily income will give you 295 naira. Monthly income will give you 8,856 naira. Annual income will give you 107. Wow. Let me say that correctly. That should be, let me zoom it out. Okay, I can't zoom it out. That should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 1 million naira annually is what you're going to take home annually. You can see it here for a 10,000 naira package. Now you see they say Tiger and all of that. This is 30,000 naira package. Yes, and it gives you, that is the column 3 here, it gives you 36 naira per hour and 800 naira a day. In a month you have 26,496 naira. In a year you have 3.2 million naira as your annual income. And these guys have the solar panel. So if you understand how this business works, for me it's great. So the biggest package here, which is 90,000 naira, you make 111 naira, 17 naira, and daily income price per hour. Daily income will be 2,800. Then monthly income will be 84,240 naira. Annual income will be 10 million naira. You can see it now. You can see that this is a way to make money for yourself. So guys, if you are new to this channel, like I said before, this is another way to actually make money from SunPower for life. You say follow the footsteps. You say follow the steps by step process of making money here and all of that. This is just like I explained in the first part of this video. You can see this are real office here in Nigeria. You can see that young man holding a solar panel there, and that is the forum here. You can earn money here every day on a daily basis without raising your finger on your smartphone. Withdrawals are done straightly to your account and all of that. You can see this is the forum. People are already testifying with mobile numbers and all of that about everything. You see, but completely different. So guys, this is an amazing place to put your money into. What I just explained is what you have here: 8,000, 9,000, 90,000, 8,000, one of the smallest package here, 10,000. The other packages like 30,000, 200,000, and that slide actually open up the full details. And this is another package for 500,000 naira. I'll be explaining the full compensation plan. Even as small as 4,000 naira you can plug in. So guys, what are you waiting for? The link to get on board is going to be in the description here, and I'm going to urge you. Total earning today so far, I have earned today on my account 308 naira on my account. I'm not invested, I just registered today, yesterday thereabout. But I'm going to do my compensation plan on how to purchase a package, do a comprehensive video for you guys. So guys, and secondly, they have an app that you can download, an app from the Play Store or on their website too, and you can do online mobile too. There you can actually fund your USDT or withdraw through USDT. That's another mode of payment they have. Or your mobile card, you can bind your card. I'm not giving them my card, I can give them my account details. And the tool on how to actually make money here are all in full details here. So guys, this is how to make money from SunPower, sorry. And I'll be very glad to see you on board. My WhatsApp link is going to be, and if you are new here, we talk about cryptocurrency, we talk about affiliate income, affiliate marketing, how you can actually make money on the internet. And I'm telling you the real thing, it is real. I have experienced it and I'm still experiencing it, and I'm telling you to come on board. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.